Hey guys, it's Sarah with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we have a review and install of these LED taillights in smoked, fitting your 14 through 18 Chevy Silverado 1500 without the factory LEDs. These are perfect for the Silverado owner who's looking to replace their factory taillights with a nice LED taillight and likes the blacked out look of this smoked lens. These LEDs are much brighter than your factory bulbs, increasing your truck's visibility and making it safer on the road. These chrome housings with smoked lenses give your truck that blacked out look, and the LED light bars of these taillights add some style. So as far as price goes, these come in at around $325, making them middle of the road price-wise when compared to other taillights. And for your money, you're getting the brightness of an LED with the style of a smoked lens. I'm giving this install a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. These taillights feature direct plug-and-play installation with no wiring required and can be done within 1 hour. So with that said, let's jump right into our install. For this install, you will need an impact gun or a ratchet, a T15 Torx socket, and a Phillips head screwdriver. All right, so the first step in our uninstall is to remove the 2 bolts that are holding on our taillight using a T15 Torx socket. With the bolt out, you can grab the taillight and pull straight back. At this point, twist to remove the plugs. Just be careful not to touch the bulbs. If you're worried, you can definitely wear gloves. Once the large bulbs are removed from your harness, you can plug them into your new taillight. We're going to start with the top of the harness is going to go to the higher one here. And these are offset, so make sure they line up inside the plug. Now connect the lower ones. Now you can twist these all into the housing. Finally, install the smaller bulb into the topmost housing and twist it in. Now you can grab the taillight and line up both pins at the back and push straight forward. Grab the provided hardware and install it into the taillight. Grab a Phillips head screwdriver and tighten it down. All right, now that we have our taillight installed on the truck, we can check it out side by side with our factory taillight. Now, as I've said before, the biggest difference here is this one features an LED as opposed to your factory bulbs. Also, this taillight features a chrome housing with a smoked lens, which is going to change up the look of your truck. Now you can repeat that process on the other side. With the taillight out, unplug your harness. Remove the 2 larger bulbs. Plug in your new taillight. With your taillight in place, grab the hardware and get it installed. Grab a Phillips head screwdriver and tighten it down. All right, that's gonna do it for the review and install of these taillights. Remember, for all things Silverado, keep it at AmericanTrucks.com.